In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and utilize the Fresha dashboard to access and manage your daily sales summary. This process is perfect for business owners or managers who need a clear and concise overview of their daily transactions and sales performance, ensuring you're always on top of your business finances. First, begin by navigating over to your Fresha dashboard. This is the central hub of your business operations within the Fresha system, providing you quick access to all the tools and features that enable you to manage appointments, sales, and more. Upon arrival at the dashboard, you'll notice a menu bar situated on the left-hand side. This menu is your gateway to various sections of the Fresha platform. Now, you'll want to focus on the Sales section. Click on Sales Which, and you'll be directed to a page with all your financial activities and records. This section is vital as it contains all information related to the transactions processed through your venue, revealing insights into how your business is performing financially. Once you're in the Sales section, look specifically for an option labeled Daily Sales Summary. Click on this to access detailed reports on the day's financial activities. This report breaks down your sales with specific details like the number of transactions completed, the total revenue generated, and any other pertinent sales information. The Daily Sales Summary is a fantastic way to gauge not just individual transaction details, but also to gather a broader understanding of your day's financial outcomes. This can help you identify trends or areas that may need improvement. An added convenience provided by the Fresha platform is the ability to export these sales summaries. This can be exceptionally useful for creating records, sharing performance data with accountants or business partners, or just keeping a personal copy for your financial archives. To export the sales summary, locate the Export function on the Daily Sales Summary page. This feature allows you to create a downloadable version of your sales summary in your desired format. Moreover, Fresha allows flexibility when it comes to viewing different timeframes. If you're looking to monitor not just today's sales, but those over a specific period, you can change the dates from the Daily Sales Summary page. Adjusting these dates will enable you to compile comparisons across different days, weeks, or even months, giving you a more robust view of your business performance over time. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps on the Fresha dashboard, you can effortlessly manage and review your daily sales, ensuring that you remain informed and responsive to the financial dynamics of your business. We hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to make more informed business decisions. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to peruse our other content for more tips and tricks on utilizing the Fresha platform to its fullest potential.